Hello and welcome back to the channel and to Stratford-upon-Avon Racecourse campsite. Unfortunately it's been raining all morning, so we haven't done a lot this morning. We've actually been and done a bit of grocery shopping. So what we're going to do now, it has, fingers crossed, stopped raining, so we're going to have another walk into Stratford-on-Avon for us last afternoon. So we'll see what we can find in Stratford-on-Avon. If you want to come along with us, please carry on and watch this video, and we'll see you later on. So what time are we now? 1 o'clock and it's brightened up. Yep. Well, it's dried up anyway, hasn't it? At least we got shopping done for the week anyway, for when we get home. And we'll follow the official path. I can't believe they're watching that racecourse after the rain we've had this morning. So it's a 2 mile, by the looks of it, isn't it? When it starts, 2 mile chase. Yeah. Looks like we've got to dodge water sprays down here.
I've had enough rain this morning, we don't want to get that again.
Right, can you dodge the water jets? She's got her up ready. It's coming back now, it's coming back.
Okay.
Right, quick, before that one squirts across. Hey, he nearly got you. We got over without getting wet. Yes, there's a few puddles along here, so it's a good job.
I don't know how she did that last walk in the street yesterday. It's football, weren't she?
Yeah.
Oh, she'd have kittens, won't she?
She would.
I just want her to do it anyway. Me won't do it actually.
Everything's bent over with rain. At least we know which way to go now, don't we? Can't believe how fast these 12 days have gone though.
I know. If you think back to where we've been,
Yeah.
what we've seen.
Yeah.
It's not been rushed, has it?
No, it hasn't, no.
That's how to do it. So.
Yeah, we've certainly been enough places and seen enough, haven't we? As time allowed anyway.
Yeah. Well, we've seen more than what we've planned.
Yeah, we have. Yeah, like I said, the two places we've not been to before, isn't it? Somerset and Devon, North Devon anyway.
Well, yeah, not North. We've always passed through Somerset.
Yeah.
We've passed through it coming from Cornwall or Devon.
Yeah, you do. Certainly well in flower, that, isn't it now? That ain't hawthorn, is it? 'Cause it's got no thorns on it. Looks a similar leaf. Yeah? There's no thorns on it. No spiky thorns on it. A non-spiky hawthorn. Snow in blossom. Right, so here we are then. So go up to the church so we can see Shakespeare's grave then. Right, we're going to have a look in the church. It's all fairly newish that, isn't it? Or has it all been...
Yeah, it does look fairly.
Yeah.
It's a
No, it's newish stone that. Compared to old stuff. It's a lovely little church, isn't it though? Nice to see pews actually, isn't it? Nice to see pews. I know, I didn't think we should get a recital when we come in. Right, this is where William Shakespeare's buried. Right, we'll head out. I weren't expecting that in there when we went in. Piano recitals. Yeah, it was. Very special. So worth the walk back in?
Yes, it was.
Yeah. We dodged a shower as well. So that end bit is where William Shakespeare and his family's buried then, isn't it? Yeah. Yes, so that's where the area where William Shakespeare and his family's buried. Right, we'll walk along the river then. Right, William Shakespeare. Right, back into Stratford-upon-Avon. Yes, it's certainly freshened everything up.
I don't look at public, I don't think you get much privacy.
No. I know, it's warming up now. That's trouble when you get dressed. You set off with raincoats and jumpers and that, and then it turns out lovely and sunny. Back to Royal Shakespeare Theatre again. Yeah.
Didn't usually go that fast.
No. There's certainly plenty of swans around here though, isn't there?
Yeah.
Never seen so many. Yeah, it's certainly motoring that big wheel, isn't it?
I don't normally go that. It didn't seem to be yesterday.
No, it's supposed to be slow. So you can take in the view. It's certainly going round fast now. Probably wind blowing it round. Certainly a bit quieter today, isn't it? Rain stops play. There's a few going out on canoes anyway. From the canoe club. It's a nice area this though, isn't it? Yeah. I think somebody's put foam into we've got a foamy fountain. Put washing up liquid in it or something. It's definitely got some foam in it. Yeah. Has somebody been naughty with the washing up liquid? They weren't like that yesterday, were they? Yes, it's ideal sculpture, isn't it, for swans?
Yeah, it
Yeah. Trouble is that many black and white buildings, you don't know which one you've taken videos of.
Well, you've done all that, haven't you?
Yeah. Just keep going round in circles, don't we? Take it police station must be behind there.
Well, I can see a new building there. But all the windows have got like bars on.
So it's the Mason's Court. Yeah. Very good. It might have blown over. Might have. 1940s tea room. Nice green tea. '40s tea room. It's a bit too late with eating it. A bit too late with eating it, haven't we? Well, that was nice afternoon tea in there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What about Shakespeare and Hathaway?
Yeah, it is. Recognise them.
Yeah. Prince Hal. Take it these are all from Shakespeare plays. So we've got Falstaff, Hamlet, Lady Macbeth, nice drink with a view. And the sun come out as well. Nice pint of cider. Right, so that's it. This is the end of the trip. So we've had a last little walk round Stratford-on-Avon. And we go home tomorrow morning. So that's going to be it for a few weeks now until we go away again. So if you like what you're seeing, don't forget, give me that thumbs up. And also, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and click that little notification bell. It'll tell you when we've uploaded some more videos. So until the next video, we'll say goodbye for now. Bye.